According to a recent study, CAR T-cell therapy has shown remarkable success rates in treating patients with relapsed or refractory B-cell acute lymphoblastic leukemia, (ALL). In a cohort of 101 pediatric and young adult patients, the therapy achieved an overall remission rate of 81%, with 60% achieving complete remission (CR) and 21% achieving CR with incomplete hematological recovery (CRE). Recent statistics reveal that CAR T-cell therapy has also demonstrated significant efficacy in treating adult patients with diffuse large B-cell lymphoma, DLBCL, a type of aggressive non-Hodgkin lymphoma. In a clinical trial involving 93 patients, the therapy resulted in an overall response rate of 45%, with 21% of patients achieving a complete response. A retrospective analysis of multiple clinical trials has shown that CAR T-cell therapy has proven to be a promising treatment option for patients with relapsed or refractory multiple myeloma. The analysis included 140 patients, and the therapy demonstrated an overall response rate of 73%, with 28% achieving a stringent complete response and 45% achieving a very good partial response. According to a recent report by the American Society of Clinical Oncology, ASCO, CAR T-cell therapy has been particularly effective in pediatric patients with acute lymphoblastic leukemia, (ALL). The report states that the therapy has resulted in a 5-year event-free survival rate of 50% in this population, highlighting the potential for long-term remission and improved outcomes. In a meta-analysis of 11 clinical trials involving CAR T-cell therapy for various hematological malignancies, it was found that the therapy had an overall response rate of 72%, with a complete response rate of 43%. Furthermore, the analysis showed that the therapy had a durable response, with a median duration of response ranging from 6 to 23 months across different trials, suggesting its potential for long-term disease control. Thank you for watching. Please visit www.wellnessdestinationindia.com for more information.